Hi folks, St. Paul Steam here with my latest steam plant. This is one of my most ambitious projects so far. And I call my 2525G Collector's All Cast plant. And it features two old school Jensen 25s from the 50s with heavy flywheels and a cast iron base number 15 generator and a cast iron base windmill. So we've got four items here with cast iron bases. She weighs right at 16 pounds with water in the boiler. It's 18.5 inches on the plinth by 16 inches and 3/4 inch thick, and it's got several layers of polyurethane on it. Let's take a closer look. Okay, she's coming up to steam nicely. Here we have a number 15 cast iron base generator. Every cast base on this plant has been bead blasted, stripped, and repainted with the same color, dark blue Jensen style paint. And they look as good underneath as they do on top. This generator has had the 3-inch axle replaced with a 4-inch axle and two sets of 4-tiered pulleys added to it, so it acts as a transmission as well. Features the Jensen logo, and the number 1 engine has matching pulleys to drive the generator. That one belt can change up and down through the ratios, and that's all that you need to drive it. And I've been to the nickel platers, and many things have been nickel plated on this. Both flywheels on both engines have been trued, sent off to the nickel platers and replated. Both cylinder and steam chest assemblies have been sent off, re-nickel plated professionally. The boiler has been sent off, re-nickel plated. You can see she gleams as probably better than new. And they both run exceedingly well. There's not an item or an eccentric or any little part on this engine that I have not disassembled, cleaned, polished, scrubbed. The boiler firebox has been bead blasted and repainted very high temperature black. And we have one of my 0 to 13 PSI pressure gauges, or 0 to 2 bar. It has both of those indicators on it. And has an old school large Jensen safety valve that is adjustable. I've used as much Jensen hardware on this plant as I could. And plant number 2, also the same treatment. You can see that it has 2 throttles, valves to independently control each engine. And same over here for this engine. It's all nickel plated, the flywheel and the steam chest and boiler. And it drives the cast iron base windmill. That is a replica Jensen windmill that they had a pamphlet for but never really produced. And I've made a few of these so far. You can see the professionally imprinted Jensen tail fin on it with the red tipped fan blade. Going down to the solid oak non-functioning water pump that can also act as a transmission. The axle is supported by 2 roller ball bearings. And we have a Jensen metal tag, Jensen steam accessories type metal tag on it. And it's coming up to steam, so I'm going to start it here real quick. And it has one of my special ID tags on it. I don't know if I can capture it or not. It says 2525G. And I'm going to put this on the tripod and get things going. I'll be right back. Okay, we got everything running now and stabilized. Let's take a closer look. Some LED bulbs in there right now. Got a good strong heater under the boiler. I haven't mentioned the windmill can act as a transmission as well. Both engines run exceedingly well. Very smooth. Hard to get it all in. Thanks for looking, folks.